Hi all, Indrala Ghosh from Orpang Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Today it's a short and cute video of some of the recent Bandhakala, weave ikat saris from Orissa, and lovely saris. The best part is that they are non-mercerized. There is no mercerization or no chemical processing with the yarn, so that they don't fall limp on your body. They are very nice crisp cottons, as Bengal cottons are, and such beauties. And I have teamed them with various kind of blouses, so that you can have a unique style of your own. So quickly let me showcase, and these all are pure handloom weave. The first one in this is this color, beautiful color combination. Orissa weaves, Orissa handloom is one of the most promising and the well-known loved across the country, loved saris. They are all being loved a lot because of their beauty, because of their elegance. So these saris always have their own identity, own own meaning and own behavior, I would say. They have their own character. See, such beautiful, all of this weave, and such fascinating one in this summer month. So this is the one. The body is like that. That's the border. The border has this 2 lines Rudraksh temple, 2 lines Rudraksh temple. Then there is an Ikkat line, and these temples are also by Ikkat only. Ikkat. So this is all tie and dye work on the whole sari, and the palla is this. They are softly starched. They are softly starched. So this is the palla. Pretty one, very very pretty, and the whole body has this kind of a get-up. The whole body has this kind of a get-up. So that's the whole body. 5.5 meters. 5.5 meters. They generally don't come with blouse pieces. So what I have done, I have teamed up this blouse piece. This is a natural dye ajrak in modal, in pure handloom cotton. Ajrak in pure handloom cotton. So that's the combination. That is the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece with the sari. So when you wear this blouse with the sari, it will give a completely different meaning. And I have, see the pattern, I have matched the this kind of a barfi, this rhombus kind of a pattern with the pattern in the sari. So this is the look. This is the look. So these saris are all priced at 3850 including shipping. So there is no extra shipping. 3850. Quite a good price. So you can pick up. So that's sari number 1. Another beautiful bandha kala weaving. So that's the pallu. That's the palla. That is the palla. Beautiful palla. Shall I go near? And the whole body has this lovely this is more of a inspired design from Ikkat of this patola, the patola design. This is a inspired patola design in the body. So that's the beautiful Ikkat border. That's the beautiful Ikkat border. The whole body has this kind of a patola design. Very, very promising and a very beautiful, vibrant sari. Very promising, very beautifully vibrant sari, and absolutely no question on the quality of the weave and the yarn. So these are all lightly starched, and so you can actually wear it flawlessly. There is nothing hidden in this. I just loved one response from one of my patrons in the US. She said that I exactly got what I had seen in the video, or what you have explained in the video. So I said, so that means there are expectations on the part of the patrons, on the part of the the clients, that the thing which we see on the video might not come to them, might not go to them. That is so wrong. That is so wrong. So this is exactly what you are seeing. So I have teamed up this Pochampalli silk by cotton Ikkat blouse. Silk by cotton Ikkat blouse. This is an Andhra weave. and this is a Orissa weave. So this is an amalgamation of Andhra and Orissa, but the craft is same. It is ikat. It is tie-dye ikat. So this is the blouse piece with this. Again the same price, 3850, including shipping. And which particular district are these weaving from? Because Orissa has number of districts and number of there's many weaves are being. So this is another. I mean, all the districts have this ikat weaving kind of a combination. So this is a huge the Konarak Rath wheel, the wheel of the temple or Konarak temple. That's the design on your pallu, and the body has, this is the border, this is the ikat border, and the body has this kind of a weave, beautiful small buttas what we see in Bomkai. These are not the ikat one, these are the jala buttas. And so this is the whole body, lovely sari, extremely beautiful sari. And the best part is that this blouse, see the ajrak blouse with the natural dye. So how beautiful, you can team this up. So that's the sari, that's the blouse, that's the palla. See how beautiful. So that is the combination. Okay, same price, 3850. The market actually varies. The pricing in the market varies from person to person because of the fact that it depends. That I was put to question on the fact that some questions were being asked to me that, well, why the prices differ. The prices differ because of the quality of the yarn, the weaving, the texture, everything. I mean, so it is not always that what prices others are offering is comparable. I mean, I can understand that cottons and also in cottons, the variety of cottons, the weaving in cotton, if it's too much intricate, then it actually goes beyond silks and tussars. So, depending upon the design. So this is the extremely beautiful palla. And see this, that Rath Chakra motif. And again, the body has this kind of lovely weaving. Whole thing is in weaving. The border is also too attractive. The border and the bottle green is just so beautiful. So that's the body. That is the body. It's this, see the styling. See that it gives such a stylish look when we actually drape it like that. So I've given a bottle green khand blouse piece with this, so that we can say that Maharashtra is meeting Odisha. So that's the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece I have teamed up. So this bottle green palla and the blouse, and see how beautiful the blouse would look. When you wear it. So that's the combination. So this is another one which is 3850. Only I have available right now Pochampalli ikat. So excellent combination. Bright, nice red with beautiful half. The lower half again has that patola kind of a pattern. So that's the palla, zigzag black and white palla with this kind of a body work. I'll show a little bit of pleats here because the lower part has this kind of a pleating. So you will this extremely beautiful sari with this blouse, with this ikat, black and white ikat blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. That is the whole sari. 5500. So this is a Pochampalli sari. Whites are fascinating in summers, and the rowdy and the and the scorching heat which the North India, East India faces. So it's a sari again, Orissa sari. Such color combinations. We've seen the color combinations, and this is all hand block. This part is all hand block. So another beautiful sari in this ikat border, in this beautiful ikat border. Lovely, lovely combination. And you know, the hand block, the flowers, this is purple here, and in the pleats I have given the flowers as grey. In the pleats this grey flowers are coming, so it's a combination of green and grey in the flower pattern. So that's the palla, that's the whole sari, that is the whole sari. The whole sari is hand blocked beautifully, and that is the combination. What I have done is that I have teamed up this hand block and hand embroidered blouse piece. This is hand blocked and hand embroidered, so this is a Sindhi embroidery blouse piece that will come on the back, and so it has purple and grey. So it has purple and grey, and this will come on your sleeves. This standing one will come on your sleeves. So this sari and the blouse, this is the blouse and this is the sari. So that's the combination, and they are priced at 5800. 5800. The sari and the blouse is 5800. This is a Siminoy weave, where it's a combination of dhala pathar, and so those motifs, those motifs are there. So these are all woven, and there are weave inside and there are hand blocks inside. So the palla is full woven, the border is also woven. See the border, beautiful sari, and I have given a fantastic hand block which is in 3D effect. So the whole palla is woven and the blocks are like this. So this is one of the blocks, one 3D block. So it has this kind of a combination, and the other block is this yellow, this kind of a yellow one. So it actually matches the border color, white and yellow, black and white and yellow. So the whole sari has this block pattern in the body. It's a sandalwood color, the sandalwood color. Extremely beautiful, see, extremely beautiful. And this is the yellow block, which is also not very much visible on the, maybe on the, you know, video, but then, so that's the combination. Smart saris, very smart saris. And what I have done is that I have teamed khand fabric blouse piece which goes so well, which is a peacock and an elephant figurines. And so this is the blouse piece which I have teamed up with this. The price of the sari and the blouse is 6800. 6800. Combination in this, the last combination in this is another beautiful sari, very beautiful sari. And I have few bonkais and other pasapallis which I am not showcasing now. So that's beautiful. That's a beautiful palla. These are also called the pitala weave. So that's the border. It has woven lines in between ikat. So the body has this muted, has this kind of a combination, this beautiful combination, and that's the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is in hand block design in Chanderi silk by cotton. The blouse piece is like this. So it matches the pink and beige combination. And if you give a little bit of black or grey frill in the blouse, then it is completely a match. So this is the one. So this is also 3850. 3850. So thank you friends for the Orissa weave video. Please get back to me if you want any. Thank you.